This is a 2015 Dodge Scat Pack with the 392 non-supercharged. Somebody's already taken the rear resonators off and the mid mufflers off, but it's a little too loud for them. We're going to put some Flowmaster Super 44s on there. I'm just going to do a little before and after here. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, we're back with the Scat Pack. We have installed the Flowmaster Super 44 mufflers on there, along with the crossover tube in the back of the mufflers. You can see, kind of helps with the drone inside. Should bring the decibel levels down to a moderate level. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, it brought it down from ear-splitting 116 down to around that 105 to 109, so a lot better, a lot deeper. Deeper, not quite as raspy sounding, the way it should sound, like a good muffler should.